your friend is saying, Godwin Edusi Tamaku, so to friend Quanta. So for the regional deputy secretary to go through this personal hardship because of a conflict in that area.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right on Ghana MTVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Your friend is saying, Godwin Edusi Tamaku, so to friend Quanta. So for the regional deputy secretary to go through this personal hardship because of a conflict in that area. And to see a walk and say, Nana, Yetimi Abunitu, or one young man, if you can was Yetimi Hash, if you know, na conflict. How do we deal with conflict such that young men are feeling they are exposed to such conflict? Tell us a little bit, Master Courage, Abraham, and tell us what is the underlying on and that's an immediate cause at this conflict over.
We dear Mefa Akonya is now Machia Tiffy now, Machia, and my own pennyful. Now, a ma of Sanfoa, Omo, Quanta South, T region, carry power, the crony, other part of the district, you know. More mushroom on Crawford, Monyako. Then so I actually a Japa, there's actually 3 and Crawford soon in Yako. Of a mini worker say, after I say she me fear shoot me na na be my and rather me na no bad that me akwa she dan ni na mama me ni na ahye aka ni ma me ni na ahye aka ni tinku so far the card na the number of nkrofo ma wu nkwanta south especially Kerry and Kwano, they are more than 20 people. What is the root cause of all this? It's all about Nkwanta Township, who owns it. Of a meno, sometimes I don't speak to the substance of issues like this. Because me to honor, as a believer, me say me bad the job, me kwa the job. And to me, as I see a media, I'm not interested in it. The minimum say, "Nya mesora me ya mensa be come anu amenye ba bi kakra da ma de a chi no ene na ye me amedie." Because what he say bi kafra who wasi even 100 bedroom apartment kwana wani kum na oda we waja bibi akọ banya ne asa obesa hu say apartment na ye wo dia. So what are we fighting for? It's about a first year celebration of Young Festival e won kwanta na ehun sem eba issue and the previous administration and the regional minister Honorable Joshua Makubi issued directive be share they shouldn't celebrate the festival actually for now belong to that tribe and out of you to know out of alacrity kind of zeal like the zealous they've gone to do it and create a problem and I know the issues are bad and almost solve and recently the new administration under my boss regional minister or Miami party chairman Rexec moderative so bandi festival celebration activity pia on Nkwanta Township until further notice and the actual group again omo libation. There's a particular portion of land on Nkwanta omo ton bayre commercial sale place where they sell land now time memorial no mbra there are no issues you know. Before by a fufro market, they go to post on libation there to thank the ancestors and then for the harvest never be Zamba. But the fact that they ban all activities, they thought say a shading one on ban but such libation it is permissible and no massacre creating a trigger issue. As to no matter any wrong or a right, or more maritally a wrong or a right, I have no idea. But maybe issue is offer. I didn't know how to create a problem in kitchen now. Gunshot album, then all of a sudden a stray bullet. Secondary school near Collabu on Fantasino High School. Our cultural mock. Abofrana cultural mock be innocent abofra and a bullet be hit abofran who in a cold blood. For unfortunate abofrana or a conco money. So this ropes in the compromise into the matter. And are creating a lot of problem. Now, the aspect of my own government failure in this particular matter, I am a regional minister, me MC, because even me fear Yashi is not my problem. I believe that this is vanity, and anything vanity is not for me. Naya me then I am alive. No matter the situation of everybody know my stand on human rights issue. Because when I pursue my master's degree in law, I specialize in international human rights law. And I'm very passionate about human rights. No matter the offense or phobia offer, Nipa have a right to be heard. Nipa have a right to protect his life. And me particular me fear ya sheno. Me nya intel see kwa kwa me fear. Me friend me MC. My friend, my regional minister, me say me pamuto. This is my lifetime investment. My bread, me sifio when NDC was in opposition. 2 times regional executive officer, party bar by Munia. My year financing and me financing me party in my small cycles. the commitment on this radio and any other many other platforms. Me nya hwe here. Na se bika fraka kran so me amedi me so eta ya matimi dia to over. Me parent inform mu jintu mu. Mu mbo na me protect it. They are going to burn it. Omanfi, they keep playing games with my mind. They keep playing games with my emotions. Oh my God. The people went there. Me fresh soldier phone. Omo rashi koho. Omo ko na nkofo na jai. How can military form here intermittent operation in a volatile area? Every 2 minutes they kill more than 3 people. Every minute they burn houses. There is a particular community called Power. Who call Munda? It's a ghost town. I feel if you know Mushida, me try for Omashi Bia. Empty town, no house to be seen. You catch them when me suggest my minister say. So bring men no mon bosswa. Call for reinforcement. Station the men at the places. Because if no more perpetrators of these heinous crimes. So they withdraw. So it's like over. They say baby to say aha. Bonino cause one so your phone back on Bejai. Before so your phone no bonino cause baby to say la pass. And before we free one musono, our me fresh mumbra hano, mufia no peno masa baha. Maybe some minister confirming to me. His colleague regional executive said he has numbers over 400 military men. Now contest South municipality where you hina 400 military men. As now many ukasa yukrano. They are still shooting, killing people, burning houses. Oluma me na ya shooting 70 something. This is na ya na want man gane. O ni dem ye be shi ni fie na ya yi na bonu choku na sa shi ni fie na kan. Mami abruwa over 80 years o yare on timi ndwane. Ya be shi ne bada ya odam na ahye mami ni nyina aka ni ti nko na eda ho. Obi bia dwana chai kronu. And you, when you call them people some fear leadership, political leadership from Accra, they are lying to them all is well. All is well. Meanwhile, lives are going down. People are dying of a mini ukasai. You say, Obi wa attacking point to be now or Jania. Everybody has the right to life. People should have freedom of movement. Apart from police barrier, and a particular fashion across certain illegal police barrier. So what the public transport to? What the private transport to? You ever stop Ukano? You ever say, oh, you're Denny, or say me a casa weni. Go back. Go so that you'll be attacked. Police forge in a hop, or motivate you be no mina or my enough kamu, no more than aqua bono, no police foreman on Westcoast, no more bunipano, no more videos, and some number police for no. Of my send you video be. So we share a video ya bemba, ya yin hunina, abun when I do so good so, and there's some fun and on form do some running. This is a title holder of a community.
A video of Bema naked. Na Dejani Bibia Gusuna supposedly Wopun Kotujina
or patcher for his life.
Or patcher na Bema for Frost be also to me in the Bema and or Junso Ediguno so na or man instructions. Now the Johnson I will run and name my become energy. Now such human degradation I will gonna
offer. Colonization era, Mbrofo your colonizing and I'm did they treat them to this extent? Offer. I am not bothered, sir. You shape me, Abraham Boy, for me personal house. If you are me, I'm a bressy. You shame in my own NDC government. Or put me sacrifices in now. My three ministers, so my soldier for me, no one can me fear. This is a house I spent over 500,000 Ghana cedis. Me keke. Nobody mind me.
So I have personal property.
My personal property. I have no value in NDC. Nobody respects me. Na me betina munina ya bibia different party, a different government. Na me ya bibia with my intellectual capacity it's of no value to the party. Someone to me mami shimpo and mami fan and for my suffering now. NDC for can't you protect my house too? A regional deputy secretary of a ruling government. I couldn't get just a military man or two to help protect my property. I didn't know. I didn't know what buy pan I won't throw beer money to you call. What my friend defense minister after that because and I'm in Crawford because I am the only person there who is a regional executive officer in the party in government. Pressure damage so my people are calling me left right. My friend defense minister after the deputy after me Mustafa Bani, Deputy Director of Operations or the Presidency, offering me a region. My from Nina to come to my rescue. Obian fee of an amenity. Of an amenity. This is Mama son, my brother woman. If you went one year, if you are my boy Braka Kramasia, Miss Midi, a car, Miss Mikabi said, and then your Kurana said, a room remnant is on your scam, hide and wakra. Because we grow many babiadano. I sat down and visual video machine in Nano.
Just a deputy.
What is my crime?
Secretary of the NDC in the whole Uti region. Na municipality in Kwantaho and internal rife conflict. Say Yakugun Sao by from Ebra Abba. Na ye subjecting nipa to the human degradation. And ya targeted whole deputy secretary no. Ufie kakra na watimi asie no yama o papa o papa o grandfather yaboni tuo and a grandmother yahye no and a fie no so and now you are led to believe say you over 200 military men.
Also according to my regional minister on a phone call, he had over 400 military men. Now 400 military men help us a small municipality couldn't protect lives of Aminu Ukasa as we speak. So friend or minister now friend before when that's have done bed in the crowd and pregnant women are sleeping in the bush and my friend a man for a labor bush and for a week now and member and my friend and Uram in this weather people are sleeping in the bush.
My many deputy general secretary
but as someone is you know so serious.
I'm sorry my many deputy general secretary